This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Windows 10 or 11 updated, admin privileges, and internet access. Once done, suspend any third-party antivirus to avoid conflicts and save current scan schedules. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and verify no pending restarts or updates. These block service restarts. Then launch Windows Security and check that the main service is running. This gets the system ready, so the repair steps that follow can proceed without avoidable interruptions. Now you repair core services and files. Open Services and restart Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center. If a restart fails, reboot and try again. Run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to fix system file corruption, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Once those finish, open Settings apps, find Windows Security, and reset the app to clear configuration errors. These commands finish by re-enabling real-time protection and running a full scan to ensure no active infections remain. Once the scan starts, make sure definitions update and run both quick and full scans sequentially. If Defender still shows errors, open Event Viewer to inspect Windows Security or Service Control Manager logs for specific error codes. As a last reliable step, consider an in-place upgrade repair of Windows, which preserves files and settings but refreshes system components. This often resolves stubborn Defender faults when other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.